This is cold-pressed soybean oil, and this is hot-pressed soybean oil. Today, I will introduce two different soybean oil pressing processes. Let's start with the cold-pressed soybean oil process. Its advantage is that the soybean meal has very high value. During cold pressing, soybean protein remains undenatured and has good water solubility, making it suitable for deep processing products like yuba, tofu skin, and tofu sheets. The cold pressing process is soybean cleaning, crushing, pressing, filtering, oil shortage tank. The cake is directly sent to the mill soil or deep pressing workshop. Now, let's talk about the hot pressing process. After cleaning, the soybeans go through crushing, conditioning, flaking, and cooking, 3 more steps than cold pressing before entering the oil press. The resulting soybean cake is mainly used for animal feed or sent to the extraction plant. If you want deep processing of soybean meal, choose the cold pressing line. If you want fragrant soybean oil, choose the hot pressing line. For high-end grain and oil equipment, choose Huatai group.